at James Opondo Senior. Machigni nyinga en James Opondo. Jagoro maduong' mar riwruog lakteche pachoka Davji Atella koro chiwo andika mar ng'anyo mar ndalo 7 ne board mar kar thieth ma Nairobi Hospital ma kaluwore gi ywak mar lakteche kar thiethno mawacho ni board mar Nairobi Hospital osebedo ka tayo chenro mag kar thiethno makare ahinya to tiyo arietha gi omenda gino mabende osekelo nok mar gigo mowinjore tigodo e yor thieth. Gidwaro mondo mi jata tije mar Nairobi Hospital board mar kar thiethno kaachiel kod jata tije e yor kojolo mondo ogwe tao.
We demand for immediate resignation of the chairman and the entire board of directors and the acting CEO, who we see to be a puppet of the board. The determined members of KMPDU, Chair, and the admitting doctors in the pursuit of these demands are hereby declaring a 7-day strike notice that if the board fails to resign, then on the 17th of December 2024, we shall all say enough is enough, and the general public and the international community, we are saying that from that day we will close the hospital.
We cannot sit back and watch as our patients suffer because of poor governance and leadership in the institution, which is causing us to even lack resources to work the way we need to work. So we have said that enough is enough, and we have to rise up, get rid of this rogue board that is mismanaging the hospital and bringing the hospital down.
My son is here with an ENT issue, and he's experiencing a lot of allergies, and me too. I came in the room around 8:39, and I have started already getting the infection, the allergies. So what I'm saying is that these facilities can be made better. We all knew that this is the best hospital ever over the years, but now we are not getting the value that we deserve in this hospital.